What? What is your name? What is your name?
My name is David. My name is David.
Where? Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Madrid. I live in Madrid.
How? How old are you? How old are you?
I am 22 years old. I am 22 years old.
When? When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
My birthday is in October. My birthday is in October.
Who? Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Michael. My best friend is Michael.
Why? Why are you happy? Why are you happy?
Because I met my friends today. Because I met my friends today.
Which? Which color do you like? Which color do you like?
I like green. I like green.
What? What do you do? What do you do?
I am a teacher. I am a teacher.
Where? Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work in a school. I work in a school.
How? How do you go to school? How do you go to school?
I go by bicycle. I go by bicycle.
When? When do you wake up? When do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Who? Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mrs. Brown. My teacher is Mrs. Brown.
Why? Why do you study English? Why do you study English?
Because I want to travel. Because I want to travel.
Which sport do you play? Which sport do you play?
I play basketball. I play basketball.
What? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi. My favorite food is sushi.
Where? Where is your hometown? Where is your hometown?
My hometown is Rome. My hometown is Rome.
How are you today? How are you today?
I am good, thank you. I am good, thank you.
When do you go to sleep? When do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 11 p.m. I go to sleep at 11 p.m.
Who lives with you? Who lives with you?
I live with my brother. I live with my brother.
Why? Why are you late? Why are you late?
Because there was traffic. Because there was traffic.
Which season do you like? Which season do you like?
I like winter. I like winter.
What do you like to do? What do you like to do?
I like to play guitar. I like to play guitar.
Where is your school? Where is your school?
It is near the park. It is near the park.
How is the weather today? How is the weather today?
It is cloudy today. It is cloudy today.
When do you have lunch? When do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12:30 p.m. I have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
Who cooks in your house? Who cooks in your house?
My father cooks. My father cooks.
Why do you exercise? Why do you exercise?
To feel strong. To feel strong.
Which subject do you love? Which subject do you love?
I love science. I love science.
What time is it? What time is it?
It is 3:15. It is 3:15.
Where is the nearest shop? Where is the nearest shop?
It is across the street. It is across the street.
How much is this pen? How much is this pen?
It is $2. It is $2.
When do you study English? When do you study English?
I study in the morning. I study in the morning.
Who is your favorite singer? Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Ed Sheeran. My favorite singer is Ed Sheeran.
Why are you tired? Why are you tired?
Because I slept late. Because I slept late.
Which country do you want to visit? Which country do you want to visit?
I want to visit Canada. I want to visit Canada.